Hi, I'm Marshall Toplansky. I'm a professor at Chapman University, and with Joel, trying to bring to the fore the issues about middle-class life and restoring the California dream.
Well, the big problem in California is not the overall economy, if you look at it in aggregate. It's that there's enormous wealth being created, but it's not being shared. It's not creating better conditions for the average middle working class Californian. And if we don't reverse this, we're going to become a feudal society of a few rich and their servants.
The young family formation people that will create, in an ordinary situation, the wealth that any society needs to sustain itself, but they are moving to places where they can afford to buy a house, where their money goes further in their jobs, where life is a lot less complicated for their employers.
I think that the most important thing is that we are not focused on things that really matter, like good job training for the next generation. We have huge surpluses. Why aren't we trying to use those to get Tesla to build a plant in Fresno? That would be a game changer. Or to get SpaceX to build a plant or a facility in South Los Angeles.
California is just not as attractive as it used to be. Buying a home in California is a nightmare for most people. That's an unattainable goal. Commute in a lot of cities is impossible for people to deal with. The tax environment for individuals is extremely high. So executives are saying, why don't I do right by my employees and site my business in a place where they can afford to thrive? It is, in fact, fixable.
Right, because in our past success is some of the ways that we can come back. We've made it by having the best infrastructure, the best education system. It's not a matter of just having low taxes and trying to compete with Mississippi and Alabama and who can have the lowest taxes. But we have to have a value proposition that makes it worthwhile for people and for companies.
We can restore the California dream. We can once again become the beacon of innovation and of success that California is known for. So that's what we're all about.